it is possible your hair is not frizzy. It's just as wavy as mine. This is the hair that I thought I had. Frizzy, dry, straightish wavy. But since the last few weeks, after washing my hair with a shampoo and conditioner, I now apply the Moxie weightless leave-in conditioner. That is like a moisturizer for frizzy hair.
It is so fun to stench. I thought only curly hair girls can do it.
And then a bit of the Flexi Styling Serum Gel that locks in that hydration and defines my waves. I honestly cannot believe it. I have been living under a rock all this while because I had no idea that this is what adding just 2 products to your He's it for their show, because it has and the beats and babies home with Alpania, and shindig no mash the Raham show. Ski with Salas, Mr. P. We've shit. Yeah, easy. I had off, yeah, and the heads is it. Yam say waves at such. Is it from the hell of the top city?